Yo guys, what is up? Today we're gonna be playing Gmod Tornado Valley. So if you guys do not know what Gmod Tornado Valley is, it's a really fun game. If you don't know what Gary's mod is, then catch up. Catch up with reality people. But I personally I love Gmod. It's one of my favorite games, to be completely honest with you. It is my favorite game right now. But today we are going to be playing Tornado Valley. You guys probably do not know what that is unless you played it. So Tornado Valley is a tornado survival where you just go around in a map. Tornadoes will spawn randomly. Yeah, this is the newest version of that tornado survival. So that's why I'm playing it. I need to do this to get out the little area. All right. Alright, now here we go. We're gonna start our adventure. Oh, sorry I'm not on full screen mode. It's just because it wouldn't record if had it in, if I had it on full screen mode. I'm turning down my volume because it's way too loud in my opinion. So, anyway, we are gonna be waiting for a tornado. Well, we do. We're actually just gonna wander around. Ow, I just took damage. What's this? Oh, it's a bunker. Too many error screens, though. I don't like it. Plus, that would just make the game way too easy. We want this to be hard, so we're gonna be staying outside. I just need to get a car. Oh, there's a car over there. I was gonna just give me one, but that'd be technically cheating, but I don't want to cheat. These are errors, so I don't know what they are. Let's go. Let's drive. Let's ride. That's a bad parking job. I'm gonna do a better parking job than that. Now it's a little bit better. Alright. This building will not hold against a tornado, I know that for sure. Question is, when is there gonna be a tornado? Because we could get a tornado at any moment right now. And I'm just looking outside to see when our first tornado is gonna start. Which I hope it'll be soon. That's not a good sign. I'm assuming that means we're gonna be getting a tornado soon. Hopefully you guys can hear the audio. I'm gonna post this and comment me if you can hear the audio in the game. If I won't, then I'll find a way to fix that in the next video. But if it's working all fine, then great. Where are you? Tornado right there. Full. Oh my god. Okay, that looks bad. That looks pretty bad. That tornado. So I'm gonna get into shelter. Pretty quiet tornado though. You know, that's not too terribly big. Right, so I'm gonna hide out in here. So I do wanna. Whoa! Yeah, that got bigger. That tornado got bigger. Okay, I underestimated it. I just said it's not big, and then it just got way bigger. And it's throwing debris everywhere. Awesome. But it looks like it's heading away, which is good. That means I hopefully will not die, which would be awesome if I didn't. I'm just hoping it doesn't hit my building. Oh, I think the tornado may be coming toward me. Yeah, it is. Let's back out of here. Oh, never mind, it's gone. That tornado didn't last that long. That was our first tornado. That was big. Well, it started out small and then it got way bigger. What's our recording time right now? 7 minutes. We only have 3 minutes left. You know, I'm gonna end this. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna end this video right here. So if you guys did enjoy it, comment down below. If you guys want me to do a part 2, that'd be nice. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.